Well, we're finding costs are rising on healthcare policies made specifically for people who often lived on a fixed income. Ashley Sampson is looking into where you can turn for help.
When you enter the sunset years of life, often there's reflection. Terry Krieger likes to think of her former career as the school lunch lady.
I loved it. If I could, I'd go back.
But the passing of time eventually catches up to all of us. She's now been in an assisted care facility for about a year and a half.
I had very high concerns that I would be put here and left.
It made for some scary times.
And I haven't been.
She says if it wasn't for her daughter, she'd be lost.
People here will ask, what insurance you have, and I go, I don't know. Ask my daughter.
Terry is not alone.
It's crazy. People just don't know enough.
Navigating the world of health insurance and available services for our aging population can be overwhelming for families.
When it comes down to it, there is always a way. You just have to explore the different options, and that's where I come in.
Meet Michelle Millay.
That's exactly what I feel like, an advocate.
She's part of a national organization called Assisted Living Locators that helps families find the best options and how to pay for it.
It's really important for our seniors to age with dignity.
Her introduction to the world of senior care was personal. Her mother suffered from dementia and her father struggled to care for her.
I'll never forget that conversation because that was devastating to him. He thought he had planned and unfortunately didn't.
Now she's made it a mission of sorts to make sure no one else is put in that position.
It's very important to get us ahead of the game.
Meaning having those tough conversations as soon as possible. Terry is adjusting well to her new life, and she has some advice for those willing to just roll the dice down the road.
Plan for retirement, because you never think that you're going to be where you're at in 20 years.
I'm Ashley Sampson reporting.